My name's Paradies. I'm a continuous improvement manager at FlowBelow here in Austin, Texas. We're a company of about 40 people. We make aerodynamic kits for Class 8 semi-trucks to make them more fuel efficient. My biggest focus is process improvement, because I think that has the biggest impact on a business, especially a business that's growing. As you grow, you develop bad habits, so you gotta figure out ways to get out of those habits and improve what you're doing. And that's in everything you do, big or small. You can always do things better. I think that's my biggest goal here at FlowBelow, is to make everything flow a little bit smoother and easier.
My name is Kyle Walker. I am the VP of Engineering here at FlowBelow. 7 years ago, when we were an early stage startup company, we didn't have any form of inventory control, so we began to evaluate several different solutions for ways to managing our inventory and tracking purchase orders and things like that. Without an ERP system, it's almost impossible to coordinate purchasing and manufacturing and shipping. So we tried several cloud-based systems to begin with, but you really can't match the flexibility of an open source system. With the cloud-based systems, we would run into roadblocks and we could not work around these problems. Out of the box, Odoo did almost everything we needed it to do, and modifying the system was incredibly easy.
I think Odoo's biggest strength is its flexibility. You can basically do whatever you want with it. You're not restricted to certain aspects or changing certain aspects of the system, like SAP or an Oracle. You can't do what you want with it. With Odoo, you can build anything that you can dream of. Big or small, any kind of change is doable.
A single system both improves communication between departments as well as gets all of our data in one place. Sales is always working from the same drawing that engineering has. There's never any miscommunication, which really allows us to cut down on mistakes and keep our customers happy.
When I started with FlowBelow, we weren't fully utilizing Odoo. We used bits and pieces of it, but not across all departments.
Once we brought in Novobi, the system really took off and really got better buy-in throughout the company when we had an expert helping us through the process. Working closely with Novobi allows us to have a single source for expertise on Odoo use as well as development for Odoo.
I think Odoo as a whole is great, but it is lacking in certain areas. I believe that the biggest areas are data analytics, business intelligence, and the accounting side of things. So Novobi's focus on that is definitely going to be very helpful to not just us, but anybody using Odoo. From what I hear about what Novobi's working on is really just simplifying the whole accounting module, so it's more focused on usability and productivity, so you can get things done quicker.
We did an initial business analysis with Novobi, and out of that came several small projects that we worked on to help improve the system and improve our use of the system.
We've worked on it with Novobi for 2.5 years and worked on many projects. Some of the major ones that I can think of are a product configurator, which allows us to take spec sheets directly from the customer and convert the spec sheets from the customer directly into a product that gets shipped out without having to manually select a bunch of different products. It's really a time saver on the order entry side of things, as well as cuts down on any kind of errors.
Now we've gotten to a point within where we're highly integrated with their team, and they are continuously updating our system to meet our needs.
We actually have dedicated development hours with Novobi each week, so we work on multiple things at once. And the next step is really to bring their local team on site for multiple days per week to kind of be an integrated part of our team.
Novobi's location has actually been a huge advantage for us. They're actually located in the same city as us, but even just being located domestically in the United States keeps them on normal time zones. We can always get a hold of somebody.
Before we had Odoo and Novobi, we were a very Excel-based kind of company where we run off spreadsheets. We run off of paper, a lot of manual processes. Novobi and Odoo really helped us automate things and have a system that can support the growth of the business. And the next step really is to make them really part of the team. I think it's going to be very valuable.
I only see our partnership with Novobi growing from this point. They have the expertise that will allow us to take our business to the next level.